Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your search history and also your video history on Facebook. So let's just open the Facebook application and go to the profile page. I'm just going to click on my profile, the one that has my profile picture, the circle next to the What's on Your Mind tab right here. And I am just going to click on these three dots next to the Add to Story right here. And I am just going to click on the Activity Log tab under the View As tab over here. And I'm just going to want to scroll down until I see the View Activity History on the very bottom of my screen over here. And I'm just going to go to the filters, filters tab under the archive and recyclable tab over here. And I am going to click on the categories tab and just going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on the logged actions and other activity right here. I'm just going to click on that tab on the very bottom, and I'm going to first try to clear my search history on Facebook. So I'll click on the search history, and you can do this one by one if you don't want to clear all of your history. For instance, I searched for Taylor Swift, and I can just press on the three dots next to the tab right here, and I can just press the delete button. Or if I want to clear the whole history, I can just click on the clear searches under the search history right here. As you can see, there's a clear searches, and now your history has been deleted. And you can also do this for videos you've watched. So let's just go back to the activity history, press that button on the top left corner of my screen. Again, click on the View Activity History on the very bottom right here, and I'm just going to go to Filters again right here. Again, press Categories, go down and press again on the bottom, and I'm going to click on Videos I've Watched. And I am going to click the the three dots next to the video, and I'm going to press the delete button right here. Just wait for it to load. But unfortunately, in this case, I don't think you can delete it all like the one on the search history, so you'll have to do it one by one. Alright, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.